Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Bringing French Baroque home. Drama, opulence, and a lot of green and gold. Okay, let's talk about making your home feel like a slice of 17th century French luxury. We're diving into French Baroque, which is all about drama, grandeur, and ornate details. Now imagine pairing that with a stunning jewel-toned wallpaper in emerald green and antique gold with a damask pattern. It's rich, it's opulent, and it's surprisingly inviting. This isn't about creating a museum, but a home that feels both majestic and warm. We're going to balance that historical extravagance with a casual, livable comfort. So get ready for some gilded magic. Start the story before you even step inside. French Baroque architecture is symmetrical and imposing, so think about adding classic elements like stone urns or a formal boxwood garden. For a simpler update, flank your front door with topiaries and gilded planters. Let your emerald and gold color scheme hint from outside with lush green vines, and perhaps a door painted in that same rich emerald. The goal is to feel a sense of grandeur and curated nature, a proper prelude to the drama indoors. Boom! First impression. This is where your damask wallpaper shines, covering the walls in emerald and gold grandeur. Hang an oversized, ornate gilded mirror, the more curvy the frame the better, to reflect light and double the impact. Place a vintage-looking console table with dramatic cabriole legs, topped with a cream-colored vase. Keep the floor clear with just a luxurious rug in coordinating colors, letting the walls truly sing their Baroque opera. This is your grand salon, but for Netflix. Anchor the room with a plush, cream-colored sofa to soften the bold walls. Add chairs in velvet emerald green and sprinkle in metallic side tables and picture frames in that same antique gold. For the true Baroque wow, install a crystal chandelier. It'll catch the light and make the gold in the wallpaper sparkle. The key is to mix the elaborate, the walls, the chandelier, with deeply comfortable seating you can actually relax in. Think royal retreat, not just a place to sleep. Apply the damask wallpaper to your feature wall behind the bed for a fabulously dramatic headboard alternative. Drape your bed in luxurious cream and gold bedding, with layers of textured throws. Opt for dark wood furniture with intricate carvings to ground the space. Finally, use bedside lamps with cream silk shades to cast a soft, warm glow that makes the room feel intimate and cozy despite its grandeur. Dinner parties reach new heights here. Choose a substantial dining table with a dark, polished wood finish and pair it with chairs upholstered in emerald velvet. Let your china and glassware contribute to the sparkle. Gold-rimmed plates and crystal goblets are perfect. A massive gold-framed mirror or an oil painting in a similar frame will enhance the formal, celebratory vibe. It's a space that demands good food, great wine, and even better conversation. Yes, even the kitchen. You might not wallpaper here, but bring the palette in through cabinetry. Consider painting your island base in a deep emerald green. Choose brass or gold-toned hardware and faucets for that necessary metallic touch. Open shelves are a great spot to display cream-colored pottery and dishes. Keep counters clear and surfaces like marble or quartz with creamy veining to tie it all together, proving Baroque can be both functional and beautiful. Create a jewel box of a bathroom. If you're brave, the wallpaper can work here in a powder room or on a single accent wall. More simply, use emerald green paint and introduce gold through your mirror frame, light fixtures, and towel bars. A freestanding bathtub with classic curves is the ultimate Baroque nod. Finish with plush cream towels and a vintage gold stool holding a plant, turning your daily routine into a truly luxurious experience.